Hi, this is Aaron from One Side Zero, and yet again we come to another unboxing. This is the Xiaomi 13. Let's talk about a little bit what is inside the Xiaomi 13. So Xiaomi 13 actually, of course, comes with a device.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
The silicone protector over here, also known as the silicone case, the SIM injector, USB-C cable, 67-watt fast charger, and of course the usual start guide warranty statement. Now we have talked about the unboxing. Let's talk about a little bit about the phone. This is the look, the actual look of the Xiaomi 13. And of course, Xiaomi 13 comes with the latest Android 13 with MIUI 14, which is the latest iteration offering from Xiaomi on its latest UI interface. This is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the latest offering from Qualcomm and Xiaomi. When it comes to internal storage, it comes at a minimum of 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. There is no option for expansion with micro SD card. Let's talk a little bit about the camera. This time around, Xiaomi 13 has a Leica co-engineered lens inside. So the main lens is actually a 50 megapixel camera which can produce very good shots. Let's demo an example. So right over here, let's take a quick snapshot. And this is using the Leica Authentic mode. And in front, you do get a 32 megapixel selfie camera as well. So when it comes to color offering, as far as we know, this comes in 4 colors: white, black, blue, or green. When it comes to the display, the Xiaomi 13 is actually a 6.36-inch screen, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display with Dolby Vision. When it comes to audio, it has a dual speaker arrangement, just right for all your entertainment needs. So that is pretty much about it on the Xiaomi 13. So stay tuned for our full review, which will be up pretty soon. If you like our video, please press the like button. Please do subscribe to us because we have more coming out for you. So this is Aaron from One Side Zero, signing off.